All officers, hugay kamay na. All officers, anda harap. The National Police Commission, or NAPOCOM, has submitted to the community of the Nexiver City for the promotion of the officers. Nanunumpa tayo bilang mga alagad ng batas na panalitihing ang kapayapaan ng Nexiver City. Summing up all our accomplishment, single-minded devotion to our goals has led us to achieve great success, from small win to successes. Allow me to commend the competent and dedication police officers ng Nexiver City that despite tremendous challenge, you have remained strong and committed to serve and protect. Congratulations and keep up the good work. Ang Nexiver City Police Department proudly announced the approval of promotion for officers, making a significant milestone acknowledged in the donning of rank ceremony held today. To the families of the newly promoted officers and crucial role in supporting and enabling our officers to focus on their duties with dedication and commitment is acknowledged and appreciated. The donning of rank ceremony signifies the Nexiver City Police Department commit to uphold and highest standards of service, guided by justice, integrity, and excellency. It is a power testament to the officers' dedications to recognize and celebrations the expectations, achievements of it, demanding of us of their relentless pursuit of excellence in ensuring the safety and security of the city. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to greet you a pleasant day in behalf of Government of Nexiver City by General Order 792615 in behalf of General Bendelubio, General Lato-Lato, General Narnambreg, General Pastor Pablo, General Delani Pablo. Ang promotion na ito ay binibigay sa mga police officers ng Nexiver City matapos silang may pakita ang lahat ng kagalingan sa PNP dahil sa kanilang husay at galing sa mga misyon at operasyon laban sa mga kriminal na sumisira sa kaayusan ng kapayapaan ng ating syudad. Lagi nilang pinamamalas at okasyon. Kamakailan, pinakita nila ang mga paghuli sa kriminal at iligtas ang mga sibilyan sa posibleng kapahamakan. Binibigay nila tayo ng mabuting ehemplo kung paano maging isang tapat at mabuting alagad ng batas. By General Order 792615 pursuant to NAPOCO Resolution 7926, name of officers and rank is hereby promoted to lateral Police Brigadier General Delani Andres Pablo is hereby promoted as Police Major General.
Sorry.
Police Colonel Pastor Pablo is hereby promoted as Police Brigadier General.
Pastor.
Police Executive Master Sergeant Yana Pablo is hereby promoted as a Police Lieutenant.
Bisa na number mo, bis.
Kaya Police Senior Master Sergeant Asis Riggs is hereby promoted as Police Chief Master Sergeant. Police Master Sergeant Jello Pablo is hereby promoted as Police Senior Master Sergeant.
Uy, first.
Sir,
Thank
kahit
you.
presenta sa akin, sir.
Congrats.
Police Corporal Kian Smith is hereby promoted as a Police Staff Sergeant.
Promoted yan, Kambal.
Police Corporal Edric is hereby promoted as a Police Staff Sergeant. Okay, kaya yan.
Thank you po.
Police Chief Master Sergeant Nico Pablo promoted as a Police Executive Master Sergeant. Police Staff Sergeant Yuki Park is hereby promoted as Police Master
Kambal
Sergeant.
ko yan!
Sabihin mo tong...
Thank you po.
Yep. Now, We now hear the address from our beloved Police Major General Delane Andres Pablo.
I would like to thank everyone who attended our department's promotion. Couldn't reach this rank currently, God bless. I would like to thank my family, especially the Pablos, for supporting me all through the hard works talaga sa lahat ng pinagdaanan natin. Especially thank my loved ones, my dearly husband, Pastor Pablo. Hindi ako dito. Wait lang. Hindi ako nandito talaga. Hindi talaga ako magke-carry on as your general. If wala talaga siyang support sa akin. I would like to thank everyone, especially the EMS department, sa pagtugon sa aming pangangailangan every time that we call for their help. And also the mechanic department. Yun lamang po. Salamat.
From our beloved Police Brigadier General Pastor Pablo for his address.
All officer, nag-stay, nawala maraming salamat sa EMS, MEC, General Delaney, sa aking asawa, kay General Nair. Hindi ko naman siguro makukuha tong ranggon to dahil hindi din dahil sa inyong lahat. Lalo na sa mga kapatid ko, kay Delaney, sa asawa ko. Maraming salamat sa pagturo simula't una hanggang huli, lalo na kay General Nair. Kasi kung hindi ako magiging mabuting pulis, kundi dahil kay General Nair tsaka sa aking asawa. Tsaka sa mga kapatid ko, salamat kasi sinusundan niyo yung yapak ko sa pagiging mabuting pulis. Maraming salamat. Tsaka sa mga bago, promise kayang-kaya niyo to. Basta all officer, maraming salamat.
For now, we want to our newly promoted Police Lieutenant, Yana Pablo.
Nagpapasalamat po sa lahat ng officer, lalo na po kay General Landelubio, kay General Delaney, at kay General Nair. I love you, Kuya Pastor. Salamat.
Okay, para sa mga lower ranks, panatilihin natin ang inyong trabaho ay maging mahusay. Balang araw ay magiging lieutenant at high ranks din kayo. Okay, we gather witness today and momentous occasions of the Nexiver City Police Department, the taking of the newly promoted police officers. I stand before you with great pride. Congratulate our outstanding officers on their well-deserved promotions. May this be another milestone in your career to inspire you further to implement the overseas crucial initiative aimed to improve public safety and security in our city. As you embark on your new role in the police department, I challenge you to agents of positive change and change that we want to establish in our city. As you embrace your promotion today, which is renewed commitment to be responsible and effective law officers, I entrust you to be obligations to be champions of the program of the Nexiver City Police Department. You shall unfold the program and trust of the Chief PNP and all lawful mandates of the organization. Let us set an example to our men and committees that we serve and protect, that we are worthy to our sworn position. Kaya kayo narito dahil naniniwala ang organisasyon ng mga kakayahan kayong gampanan ang mas mabuti at mahusay ang ating sinumpaang tungkulin. Team Nexiver City Police Department, this day marks the new era of our organizations. The evolutions of the Nexiver Police Department towards gather change, emerging as true champion of the people. Moving forward, continue to take pride into uniforms na sinusuot natin and live the life to translate the great legacy of the next generation. We will serve and beloved Nexiver City Police Department. Getting the promotion is not only the glory and honor, rather a bigger obligations and accountability to the people in the community. The ranks only begets respect if you're able to deliver reliable, responsible, timely public service. Thank you and congratulations sa lahat na na-promote na police officers.